Let's Talk Skincare. I have made plenty of these videos talking about some skin. It's just kind of like a little clickbaity title, but it's the truth. I am 34 years old. I have never had Botox, never had treatments. I am not opposed to that. I will if I need to. I bring that up because I've been asked before if I've had Botox. I always say no, not opposed to it, but people tend to be shocked. Not that you're like full of wrinkles at 30, but I do attribute that to a number of things. For example, my dad looks younger than his age. A lot of my uncles actually, and my family looks younger than they actually are. Also water, but obviously I will lie if I said that I don't take care of my skin. I'm not the dude that like, you know, just washes with the bar of soap. Like I actually take care of my skin because I grew up with acne. So I'm just anal when it comes to skincare, and I actually find it interesting too. So yeah, dude, AM and PM. My brother fucking gets on me because he's always like, dude, why do you look shiny? And I'm like, it's called being fucking hydrated. All right, so for the morning, I do cleanse my face, and I typically shower in the morning and I'll wash it in the shower. So I have one of these in the shower, just simple, wash my face. I'm not picky with cleansers. They just have to be hydrating and gentle. So I love this one, CeraVe. I'm gonna repurchase this and repurchase and repurchase and repurchase because it is affordable. I was gonna say unaffordable. It's affordable and it does the job, and it lathers nicely. It's something about having like that lather that feels like my skin is actually cleansed. You know what I mean? Then after I cleanse, I go in with this toner. This is by Laneige. This is the Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer. I do not even like pat my face with the towel. The towel is kind of gross. So my face is damp when I spray this all over, and that's important to seal moisture. So don't wait until your face is dry. As we get older, it's imperative to keep our skin moisturized. That helps with looking younger and just like overall appearance. Then after that, I go in with vitamin C. This is SkinCeuticals CE ferulic. I work with them all the time, so I do get this sent to me. Any vitamin C product will do. Vitamin C helps with evening skin tone. It helps brighten the skin. It helps with aging. Like honestly, I've said this before, but vitamin C has completely transformed my skin. I used to have a lot of acne marks, and this just like it helped just like even out the skin tone. So I'm not getting paid for this right here, but honestly, like SkinCeuticals, vitamin C ferulic, though it's expensive, it is like a dream collab because I do stand by this specific product. It is incredible. Then after that, I go in with Purito's, I think that's how you say it, Purito's Wonder Relief Centella Serum Unscented, Centella Asiatica. This is Centella Asiatica. This is my third bottle. This helps with redness. I tend to get red like super easily. It helps with soothing, it helps with redness. It's just a calming serum. And if you'll notice, a lot of my skincare routine is based on hydration and soothing of the skin because I do use a pretty harsh, I guess you can say harsh, but like an exfoliant, which I'll talk about in the PM routine. And then after that, moisturizer. This is the one that I use right now. It's the roche posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is 10 out of 10, especially in the winter time. This is great. My skin is on the drier side if you haven't noticed. Any moisturizer will do though, but I use this one specifically. And then after that, sunscreen. I'll be real with you though, I don't use this every single day. I know you're supposed to, even if it's cloudy, even if you're indoors, but I only use this when I go out and if I'm gonna be out. So today I did apply this on my screen, though it's cloudy, but you can still, I'm gonna be out and gonna use this. And that's my AM. Now going to the nighttime routine, which is I think the most important part. I know it sounds like a lot, but honestly it's fast. This is only when I wear sunscreen for that day. I'll double cleanse. This has changed my skin as well. I go in with this, it's an oil, and I do like a minute massage. This helps remove the sunscreen. It helps break down any of those like that gunk and impurity because it is oil. So the concept is oil breaks down oil, and this just helps get everything off. So I just apply this on dry skin, and then I just massage for a little minute, and then after that I go in with a few drops of water, and then that emulsifies it. It looks milky. That means that it's actually working. Then after that I go in with a washcloth, just kind of gently, you know, take that off, and then I go in with my cleanser. Same thing, CeraVe cleanser. Again, on non-sunscreen days, I just go in directly with this. And then again, I go in directly with the Laneige Cream Skin. I don't know all that is in here, but it's a fucking amazing product. I know it has like white tea leaf extract, if I'm not mistaken. I just know it works, and I've noticed the difference. Then after that, eye cream. This is the Suwasu concentrated ginseng eye cream. Any eye cream will do. Basically, I just use this as a barrier because I use Tret, and this helps protect the under eyes because then that gets really dry. It's really, I don't want to bore you. The skin under your eyes is extremely thin. That's why I use this, or else I probably would not. After that, I go in with the cosrx Advanced Snail Musin. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably like the 12th bottle of this. This is a staple. I use this before I apply Tret. It's hydrating, it's soothing. I don't know. It's just good. And then finally, this is a staple. This is the Tret My Active. Every single night, a small little pea-sized amount all over the face. This helps with wrinkles, fine lines, all of that stuff. Basically speeds up the cell turnover rate, so it's just like your skin's constantly renewing itself. Since we're friends, I'll be honest, I get this in Mexico for like 30 bucks. You can't get this over the counter in the States. You have to be prescribed by a dermatologist. I apply this on my skin 6 times a week, and on the 7th day, typically like Saturday or Sunday, I'll just do a simple moisturizer, and that's kind of like my recovery, like slugging, you know, night. So just like no active, just moisturizer. Te amo. I used the 0.05. I worked my way. Then after that, moisturizer. But yeah, that's it. Extra dry skin. That is my skincare routine, what I do. It takes time, you know. I definitely made a lot of mistakes with my skincare. I did way too much or way too little. Yeah, let me know what you think. What are some products you recommend for me? This is, again, foolproof what I do. It's my skin type is more on the dry side, right? So it's acne prone, dry, and that's it. I know it sounds like a lot. You're probably like, what the fuck? That is like so many products. But honestly, it's like, I don't even think about it. It's just like routine. I just like boom, boom, boom. It's done in like 5 minutes. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna log off, and how has your week been? Let me know. Thank you for watching. I know I was MIA for a minute, but it's nice to be back chatting and just hanging out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Adios.